Hey NMS students, here's a quick and easy way to make a little sketchbook. So you're going to take just a piece of printer paper. You can get that from maybe your seminar teacher or at home. And you're going to fold it in a hamburger fold. Make sure you line up your corners. Crease it nicely. Then you're going to lift up where you folded and bring it up to the top and crease it again. Then you're going to open it all the way up, and then you're going to change directions. Then you're going to do a hot dog fold. Make sure you're lining up those corners. Crease it. Then you're going to pick up that fold, and you're going to do another hot dog fold and crease it. Then you're going to open it all the way up, and you should be able to see a bunch of little rectangles. You're going to take your pencil so you know where to cut, and you're going to draw along this crease up one fold, two fold, three folds. Then you're going to go over one fold, two fold. Then you're going to go down one fold, two fold. Then you're going to go over one, up one. And then you're going to stop and grab yourself a pair of scissors. You're going to cut right along that pencil line and make sure you stop in the middle. All right, once you have your paper cut, now we're going to fold over and under, back and forth. So I'm going to start with this part here. I'm going to fold that upwards, right along that same crease I've already made. Then I'm going to lift this up and I'm going to fold it underneath. And I'm just re-creasing the creases I've already made. Then I'm going to fold over, lifting it up, folding it under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, and then the last little fold. Then you've got a great little sketchbook. And when you're working with the sketchbook, let's go ahead and do some numbers on here so that you can kind of see how this works. So if this is the first page, if I open it up, see how those two are stuck together? I'm not going to try to pull them apart. I'm going to open it up till it stops turning. So there's my 2, 3. Then again, there's some pages that are stuck together. Let those be stuck together. 4, 5, turn until they open up, 6, 7, and then I get to my very back, which is 8. Now, I'm going to keep turning the same way. So if that was 8, when I open again, I'm going to get 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then I'm coming back to page 1. Once I've come back to page 1, I'm going to now open it this way. So my last number was 15, so now on the inside I'm 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and now I'm back at my back page 8, and I have one last time that I'm going to turn and open. So now I've got 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and then you should be back at page 1. And now you know how to make your way through your little mini sketchbook. Have fun drawing and doodling.